Setting up a login page at Wix.com is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how to set up a login page on your Wix website. So for that, we will go to the Wix website for sure, and it will take us to their home page. Now you just have to click on My Sites. You have to make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't, you just have to log into your account. After that, you have to click on My Site, and after that, you will see this page. And now you have to tap on Design Site. You may also see an option for Edit Site, but in my case, it's Design Site. I'm just going to click on this option. It will take me to my website editor. And now what you have to do is you just have to click on Add Element icon, and now you have to go down and you just have to click on this Community option, and you just have to click on Members, and you'll see these options. Now what you have to do is you just have to click on this Add to Site. What it will do is it will take some time and add a sign up login page to your Wix website. We just have to wait until it loads, and it is being loaded. And now you guys can see this is my phone number and this is my login page. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.